Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing our August Roccabox. This is a beauty subscription box. It's a monthly subscription. It costs £10 a box plus I think £3.95 P&P. I will leave a discount code in my description and I think you get a percentage off your first box, so please go ahead and feel free to use that, and I get £2 off anything as well, so it's a win-win. So should we have a look and see what goodies we have from Roccabox this month? Okay, so inside your box you get your paperwork, a little leaflet, you get all these little pink squigglies, is that what people call them? I'm not entirely sure. Okay, and if you can see, they are some of our products. So let's have a look. Oh, this has changed. This used to be like a card, it's now more like a pamphlet type thing. Okay, so the first item is called a Philip Kingsley Elasticator, £4.50, multi-award winning formula, super conditioning, pre-shampoo treatment, delivers elasticity and manageability, bounce and shine to all hair textures. So that is this. So I've had a couple of items from Philip Kingsley. I've never heard of him until I started to do YouTube and received them in our beauty boxes. Okay, so let's have a look. Not much smell, guys. It's just like a thick conditioner. No smell. So what do we do with this little beauty? Directions. Best result, use regularly before shampooing wet hair and evenly into sections and blob some on and mix it in. So that's our first item. So it's £4.50. Oh, it does say paraben and fragrance free. This is available at philipkingsley.co.uk. A full size one is, wow, £19. So that's our first item. Secondly, we have a Doucce Luscious Lip Stain. This is £21. And that is, oh, we've got two of these. Oh, wow, we've got two, look. I'm so impressed. Okay, so the ultimate full coverage lip paint. The highly pigmented colour goes on matte and lasts all day, even in heat, without transferring or feathering. The pigmented texture applies smoothly and evenly, giving your lips a plump and sculptured look. These are travel sizes and you can get these at Doucce.com. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, guys. I'm so sorry. So let's, oh no, it's got this cellophane stuff off that I always seem to struggle to get into when I do these videos. Oh, come on. Oh. And I've got two of them to do. Yay. Nearly. At least you know these videos are like first look, first impressions. Okay, that's the first one. So let's have a look. It's so dinky. Look at that. Cute. It's very corally, very orangey. Quite like that colour myself, and it's something that I would definitely wear. And it smells quite nice as well. And then we've got this one. Again, it looks quite orangey, corally sort of colour. Oh, just getting into it. Oh yeah. And this one. So you see the side by side, that is very vibrant. Okay, it's okay. It does actually feel quite nice on. It's not sort of too drying. It's all right. I like that. Okay, so next we have wait, these are not matching up. Oh, we have a Willow and Pearl hair clip. This is £6. The pearl hair clip is the ultimate summer accessory must have. A perfect day to night statement piece. Pair it with your outfit for that special occasion, or simply to add a little extra glam to your day in the office. There is one of 2 designs. This is available at ASOS. Okay, so that will be this one. There is 2 designs, so I've got the like oval one, but there is a square. This is the square one, and I received this one. So let's have a look. Oh, it's nice. So you can see it's got the pearls, it's got like the gold colour doings there, and I guess pop it in your hair and push. Very nice, like that. That's cool. Next we have Lord & Berry mascara. That is £16. An extraordinary 2-in-1 treatment mascara that loves as it lengthens, with added vitamin E to strengthen. Mascara works hard to keep lashes fit and full. It has a volumizing brush, hollow fibre technology, development for sensitive eyes, and it's available at lordandberry.com. So it's £16. So let's have a look. So this is this. I don't know, I feel like we've had this before. One of our other boxes, maybe. That's the brush, which I quite like. Very good. Look forward to trying that. And finally we have a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is £9.50. Specially designed not to strip skin of its natural moisturising and conditioning oils or upset the skin's natural pH. There's no added fragrance. It's soap free, non-pore blocking, and suitable for sensitive skin. This is available at boots.co.uk, and this is the travel size, and it's £9.50 if I didn't say. Oh, this is cute. How dinky is that? I like that. Ooh. Ooh. Actually can't open it. Oh guys, I actually, wow. I can't actually open that, so I'm sorry I can't sort of like show you inside. Right, okay, so that is our Roccabox. My thoughts are, I love Roccabox. I think it is a really good subscription box. I think the products that you get are amazing. What else did we get in this? And the hair clip. They're versatile. It's not all about face creams and moisturisers. You know, there's a versatility of products. That's why I like it. Just like getting 2. Who'd think you'd get 2 of these little lipsticks? If anything, I would have thought you'd get one or the other. I'm not sure about the colours. They are, this particular one here is quite in your face, but I like that one. I would wear this, no problem, but it's not a choice that. But it looks nice, right? Pretty. Okay, so that's the end of the Roccabox. Now, I have done a giveaway video. Please check it out. It is makeup from W7 and Essence. It's very easy to enter. You just need to subscribe to my channel. You need to write in the comments somewhere YouTube. It's open internationally, and you must be 18 or over. Please go check it out and enter yourself into that. Anyway, that's it for now. Until we speak again, please look after yourselves, take care, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.